Hi, good morning guys. I am Praveen Balagiri presenting here. This is our farmers plot. It is located at Bijapur district, Talikoti Taluk, Balganur village. This is our farmers plot. Farmer's name is Dhanpal Sir Farm House. And I am Praveen Balagiri, BSc Horticulture graduate, horticulturist, farm entrepreneur, and landscape engineer. And I received a state level Kursi Pandit award from our state government. Till today, we have developed more than 500 acre horticulture area expanded in Karnataka and Maharashtra, and even though we have developed more than 100 farm layouts and garden layouts in our region. This is our dryland horticulture. We are main focusing on dryland horticulture.